Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting with Adobe After Effects, and in this video I will quickly show you the interface and what each section does. If you're new, don't worry, we will go step by step. So let's get started. Alright, when you open After Effects, this is what you will see. On the top left we have the project panel. This is where all your file lives: audios, images and videos. Everything you import show up here. In the center, this big area is a composition panel. It's where you see your animation or video in action, kind of like your preview window. Below that, we have the timeline panel. This is where all your layers sit and where the actual animation happens. You will work with keyframes and layer timing here. On the top bar, we have the tools panel, like the selection tool, shape tool, text tool and pen tool. We will use this in almost every project. And on the right side, there is an effect and preset panel. You can find ton of effects here, like blur, color correction, glow, transitions and much more. So that's the quick overview of the After Effects interface. Once you understand these panels, you're ready to start animating. In the next video, we will create our first motion graphic using shapes and keyframes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.